welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we're going to be pretty much talking about getting your hair super curly. So we did a Denman Brush curly hair routine before, and as you guys know, that brush makes your hair really curly. But in today's video, we're going to be using a totally new brush that I haven't seen before until now, and apparently it makes your hair super curly. So as you can see, his hair is like on point today, and this is pretty much why. So this one actually works a lot better than the Denman Brush.
And I can vouch for that. I mean, you know, I tell you guys the truth all the time, you know what I mean? I'm all about honesty, because I care about the results. You guys can see here, these curls are very defined, and it dries
super defined.
The Denman Brush, the curls are pretty good, but it wasn't, the definition didn't last as long. Like when it dried up, it didn't last as long for some reason. But with this brush, it seemed to last long and everything. Look at this. This is fully dry because we did it like a few hours ago.
Yeah, so we air dried it, and we didn't really blow dry because it would bring more frizz. Yeah. But this is super air dried, and it's like so on point, guys. Like we're gonna show you in this video, but like this brush is 100% like. Yeah, how good do you think?
I'm not trying
it's
to,
way better.
I'm not trying to boost the brush. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to flex on you guys. I care about you guys. You know what I mean? But honestly, this brush it's a game changer. You know what I mean? It really is.
It is.
This took us like what, 10 minutes?
Literally, we timed it for you guys, okay? We timed it, and it took 10 minutes,
10 minutes
to do this. 10 minutes. And honestly, like...
And you'll get it. You'll see the
so
before
good.
and after. You'll see the before and after.
Yeah, if you guys want to actually compare our Denman Brush video compared to this video, you will even see the difference. And we'll also show you, like, obviously a before picture, a before of his hair when it's not curly and all that stuff. You guys will definitely see, and it's honestly a game changer.
I really like this look, to be honest. Like, out of all my looks, this one is very nice.
And I feel like the Denman Brush one, it's hard to get like the curls from the roots. This one, you got the curl from the root. Like usually Denman Brush, it like by the time you pull the brush down, it only pretty much gets half the hair. So I find with this one, it really gets, I guess because it's a lot more thinner too, so it really gets the roots. And for some reason, it just feels like it's longer. I don't know if it is though. I don't know if it is.
The way it curls up is.
I don't know.
Seems to be more loose, I guess. More of a loose look, loose texture.
Yeah, and we pretty much use the same exact products in the Denman Brush video in this video.
Yeah,
so
I mean, I just had after I just washed my hair, I had this coconut curling cream from Cantu, and after that we just put some Eco-Styler gel, you know, the regular process that you guys know of. And just this magical thing here.
So we'll let you guys know in the description box where we got this and where to get it. So
exclusive.
Make sure you check it out.
Not for everybody, right?
It's a new
only for our subscribers.
Yeah.
Exclusive.
Exclusive. So basically, we'll link it in the description box below. It wasn't expensive at all. I think it was, I don't remember how much it was, but it wasn't expensive. So if you guys do want to get this brush, then make sure you check the description. If you guys do want to get this, make sure you check the description box below.
Can we talk?
I have to pee.
Alright guys, but enough of the chit chat, you know, let's get straight to the what Fam, you caused this, you know that, right?
It's your fault. You lost momentum.
Alright guys.
Guys, if you want this brush, check the description box below. Make sure you subscribe, you like this video, you share this video, because it'll help bare people out there. So, yeah.
Pretty much, we got this from a sponsorship with Pizzazz Shades. They actually offer glasses, but they have this whole new hairline that's starting up, and we're the first ones to, you know, showcase their product.
Yeah,
so support us, support them, and of course we're gonna have some giveaways for you guys. You know what I mean? Some glasses as well, just, you know.
Yeah, so check out their glasses, check out their hair product, and just watch the video, man. Let's get into it.
Yeah, enough said, enough said. Just look at the curls, man. Look at the curls.
Why did you walk? That's so awkward.
Can you do better?
Yeah, stop talking. He looks poke out your eye right
Okay,
now.
okay. But if you poke it, then you're going to do too.